Ever wonder why your photos sometimes look too blue or weirdly orange? It's probably not your camera, it's your white balance. And when you understand how to control it, your images will instantly look more professional, more natural, more vibrant, and way more you. Today we're going to break down what white balance actually does, how to change it in your camera, and which settings you should use to make your colors pop every single time. And stick around, because I've got a brilliant little trick at the end that most beginners never use. When I first started photography, I left white balance on auto and thought, job done. But auto gets it wrong a lot, especially in mixed lighting. Here's the big thing most people miss. White balance isn't just technical, it's creative. It lets you control the mood of your image. So if you want your photos to look more pro without needing a new camera or editing software, mastering white balance is the fastest way. And if you're enjoying this and want to learn more practical tips, grab my free ebook by joining the newsletter. The link's for you below. You'll get straightforward guides to master camera basics and improve your photography faster. White balance is how your camera reads the color temperature of the light in a scene, from warm like candlelight to cool like shade. The goal is to make whites look truly white and everything else falls into place. Auto white balance can't see like you do, it guesses, and in tricky lighting like a sunset or a room with both daylight and artificial light, it panics. That's when your colours can turn to mush. You've got three main ways to control white balance. Presets like daylight, tungsten, shade, etc. These are quick and pretty good. Kelvin or K mode gives you full manual control. You can warm it up with lower numbers like 3200 Kelvin for cool lighting, or cool it down with higher numbers like 6000 Kelvin for warm lighting. And probably the most accurate way is custom white balance. Set it based on a neutral reference like a grey card or white paper. Super accurate when lighting is tricky. I would recommend starting with presets, then experiment with Kelvin when you want more creative control. And here's a quick bonus for you. White balance isn't just about correcting colour, you can use it to enhance the mood. Want a colder, moody look? Set your white balance lower. Shooting a warm, cosy cafe scene? Set it warmer than usual. So to quickly recap, auto is okay but often fails. Presets are a great first step. Kelvin gives you a lot more control, and custom white balance gives you ultimate accuracy. You can not only use it for accuracy, but for emotion too. If this helped you finally understand white balance, drop a like and share it with another photographer who's maybe still stuck on auto. And don't forget to grab the ebook below, it's packed with simple wins just like this one. Why not watch this one next? And what's a photo you've taken that had totally off colors until you fixed that white balance? Or have you ever used it creatively? Drop your story below. I read every comment and I'd love to know how you're using white balance. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.